No, don't panic. I'm not gonna do that. Because you know what? Nebula blah this. I'm paying me. Chance. Chance. I said I will give you a chance. 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 I'll give you a chance. 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 I don't think you have all the time.
When someone says one, chance. But
let me remove you because now you want to sound smart and Lola see the same Steve me. Okay. It seems like I'm a chance. Chance. I Thomas Ufela is included on those things. It's there. It's not even a joke. People, I mean, when some people are evil. I mean, evil. And there's a lot. I mean, like social media, we do a lot of things. I mean, like a couple of and all that. Now, to write or to say whatever, but unless someone plan for me, but yeah, again they come here. Defender they've been calling that person 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, and at the end of the day, I've got a duty to protect the information because I've prove everything, the transactions, everything. This is what happened. I'm lying. Why can't you go there?
So Kalilo, you should I this selfie so I was gonna able to see myself more. She's going to shoot any in self when you shoot another hand. So chances are tambukun tamilisa tino nkikimilisa eterungwanyano unless center. Yeah, that's how difficult it is, but just take a risk and you shoot. So that's how hard it is because look self in lakwa kura but anteka self look ubula karutu one. It either it boosts your confidence to say wrong things or it boosts your confidence to you look pain like and now instead of engaging with the camera you're engaging with yourself like matunu security and training va trainer swa security na swa firearm so look ulava swa firearm kuna handgun kuna short rifle kuna shotgun leswi swin'wana swa mfanele mi swi endla hi mhaka ya ku masiku lama se ku tele ku hey va xavele va mani vanhu ku va n'wi dlaya ku swingerengere na ti-security training E-D&C and then tlhelo ku ri na grade B ku tlhelo ku ri na grade A so ti chipe ngopfu like a ku na ka ti-security training the most expensive one i 1.5 imagine got the firearm is 2.4 na 2.3 so ti chipe ngopfu ti hlanganisi na matunu security and training ka 073 211 4328 or 071 223 8290. I won't put any adverting as a leha. I get into magenta Gagash outside the twins command zone and then kusunguna Nyimpi kusunguna hoyi le kulu kumba ngopfu ka Gaza so nilava ya vulavula sweswe and ni vona swi ri swa nkoka ku ni thangani mi nyika background yo karhi ku va n'we mi kota ku twisisa timhaka leti mara before sweswe
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuhuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka u nga ha tlhela u vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala emisaveni swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi muganga basic laha u chayelaka hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 110 rand u kuma tende 100 wa switulu mobile toilet basic sound system tihunyi na 5000 rand muganga premium u chayela hi ntsengo wo sukela ka 130 leyi ku nyikaka 10000 rand muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand yi tlhela ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna loko u joyina hi mali yo sukela ka 150 rand ntsena. Muganga cash only benefit. Ujoyina imali yosukela ka 110 rand. Loko uri xirho u nga engetela 50 rand ntsena. Ujoyina muganga unveiling benefit. Vuxokoxoko byi le ka 064 755 5674. Kasi eka website hi vakhandlegroup.co.za. Rhumela rungula eka info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Yeah. Jaimito. Mfana lemsambikani. Mhayivava jaru kula imbacha. Danuna jiti. Yimane me amukalaga. The channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Akuwena hambokwata. Yeah. Walava awulavi. Itazukufa. Yawena yimanime amukelaka. The only channel that matters to watch. 29th September 28th September Gagash Ashat. Already at least almost 2 months, because 28th October almost 2 months in his marriage. A lot has happened, and no one would wish such things. When you just get into something or some new project, each and everything in life, a project, only wish first I go read the picture, first death threats, so see shabab. I take in the background tabanda. In let them nigga this information nirso bakasha nga jang ku kota ku twisana ifambisa. Gagash imunlwe because iranza ku tlula yakansati wa Gagash. Mar imunhu lwe atraku ka metro ele Pitori. So munhu yalweyo for some weird reason he has a basic understanding of the law. Before you even, why is not his wife advice? He has a basic understanding of the law. He knows the law. He may fail to interpret the law like the lawyer will do, but he knows the law. Akuman. So he's bit legally informed to act outside the law. For example, ataba conversations lately, maybe and defamation of defaming character about the twins in a different way, but because he knows the law, he hasn't done that. But what did you do even though he knows the law? That's the background. His wife, 150,000 and throw a wedding of millions, is an advocate, as they say. We are not going to question your advocacy or your educational background, but she is well legal informed to know when to take matters to court. And she's definitely under a certain legal bodies, so she's not required to engage in some matters because it will bring them the legal fraternity into disrepute. Yeah. So she's well legally informed. We pack that. Before Yaka the twins, when all of these nonsensical things are happening, where is the wife? Because mundu wangu tekela nkata jamali ya wen queen in Saturday. Where is she? Because no one ngatapuka na mponza enda the life. So fana na kufana meninga lang nsati musnuko tamani rohan. Because if the first thing you do in the morning you puko enda the video like this. Because so munga reva morning glory la ngana basat. Man, I mean, it's not the video in this. It's in the record video in Amponzo. And then when you are live, each and every day in the morning. I'm not saying it's wrong for your wife to work somewhere far from you or to have gone somewhere, but where is she? Because if she was there, this guy wouldn't be crying. This guy would be crying to her. Loko zo teka nsati u endlela ku swin'wana ti hefemula ka yena swin'wana swi lava ku khegela xifuva xa yena wisa instead ya u rilela vanhu lava va byelaka tindlala everyday ku va twa ndlala. But let's park that. Let's go to the twins. The twins, they've been in the game for, I think, even for more than two decades, if I'm not making mistakes. Or I mean, for more than a decade. 10 years. Twins, I should don't go fun. The twins, akuna nkambi ya Xitsonga like. Va nga ta ka va tirhangi na yona from promotion to bookings ku va endla swilo swo tirha na nkambi. They've been on top of the game. So vanhu lava, they've been there. They know how the market operates. They know ku entertainment ya Vatsonga yi njhani, like va yi tiva deep ku tlula na Nonyana. And then lava hi vo a va teka tiguchi va chela byala va nwisa vanhu, like hi vo a va ri swikothani swa ka Gaza. Va the twins hi vo a va ri in charge. Va the twins hi vo a va rana Gaza in terms of events, like a lot, man. Hi vo a va rana Gaza. Hi huma kwalani. When Gagash afika to the game, when he started to rise, I endle swinkamba swo tala. I mean, the influencers total irrelevant. Like total. So many of them, like, which have almost lost relevancy. Both the twins, they are still there, but not as they used to be. Like, he has taken over. Like, he took over this thing. He's running it. He's in charge. You can't take that away from him. So Nyimpi leyi yi nga endla sense ku yi nga va yi ri kona. Because once loko no va ni ri ku yiveni andhawini yo karhi wo u fika u lava ta ni bayizisa ka ndhawu liya, I can eliminate you. That's my territory. Gagash usuke aya posta ku Timothy na lowun'wana Manzonda na hlamulani kwala. That's the first thing that why you fanele hlamula lani, why you fanele endlisiwa hi wena. Like now they must ask themselves those questions. Kukula nga kulanga, why fanele hlamula wa ku posta vanhu vo lava ku ta ku dlaya, stuff like that. Now wa vula ku na mboni hinkwazo, like it means you're accusing these guys. There, you're not only accusing these guys, you're also opening a room for your enemies to strike, to shoot. Because now, if they know, the first criminal suspects. And when Gagash now, what took attention, the twins. As a person who is legally informed, that's not how you approach matters. Especially of sensitive matters that are sensitive like that. Our English. A person who is married to an advocate doesn't do such things. No, it doesn't. So, kurila, it doesn't mean you are right. You might be hurt, but as well as right, lo real. Right in your approach. Now you have tarnished people's name with not so much evidence. Now people want evidence, and you tell you can't bring the evidence to the public because you're protecting this guy. Of course, already, if this guy is the twins, it means you've exposed him. But the first thing was supposed to be approach these guys in private, solve your matters in private. Not this attention-seeking style. That thing is not on. It's never on. And it's not working for him. The twins, they went live. Why would she says? We want to love it. They are right. They have the right to do that. As much as Gaza is hate people hate people. Vanhu vo twa ku vava va vavisa van'wanyana vanhu. Because to keep a pain to yourself as koteki swa tika. You need to release the pain bit by bit until you are relieved. Na chomayela sweswi. Mina lo. So for me, Gagash should learn to approach legal matters in the legal way. You can bring matters to the public. So what if the very same guy set you up for these things? And I'm not saying Lavaya, the twins, they never planned. And I'm not saying they planned. All I'm saying is the approach is bad. But also, I'm going to use the surname here. This guy, he is doing something different. Like every now and then. The vibes tango when Goben passed on, he was doing a lot of things on social media because sometimes wahlala kumbe I don't believe Gagash Rivoni, but look, these are some of the things that you like, hey, Sula son. I'm in the like WhatsApp. Man, just so it's crazy. Yeah, he's giving me that vibe. Good. Hey, madal. Wala utalonga vutomi. Wala kufamba. Maybe Billy Rivoni say it's crazy, man. When you see a man cry live like that, it's crazy. We will always try to hide our pains by mind, especially with those who have money. Pain that with money. No, Gagash is hurt. I don't think the guy went to Rivoni, but now he's giving me different vibes. I just know that he's running his businesses, and this business are making him money. The ones we know and the ones we don't know. He has no duty to exclude. He's not a public figure. In conclusion, Gaga should have approached this matter differently. Should have requested advice from his wife, but also use his knowledge as a person who has a grade 12 and Kamaspal to get a better understanding of should I go this way or that way. But anyway, we all make mistakes, and when we are hurt, you can't tell a person how to deal with the pain. This guy talk about. So for you to say it's a waste of time to him because he had talk about with pain and talk away. But still, when you are not given a license to hurt other people, to tarnish other people's brains. Let's wait and see if there will be some evidence.